Hello students, myself Suresh VS. Welcome back to my channel. Last class we have discussed about a few classified advertisements like situation vacant, situation wanted, missing, etc. Today I am here to continue the same topic, classified advertisements like sale, purchase, rent or to let. Those who noticed the last year's 12th board exam question paper might have seen that a question was asked from this topic. So it is very important for you. So let us see how to write this type of classified advertisements. First of all, let us start with the property. For example, I have a property for sale. That's my house. And when I sell the house, what are the particulars that I have to add? And surely, where will I give the advertisement? I'll give this advertisement in an advertisement column of classified column in a newspaper or magazine. So, when you start the advertisement, begin with the word wanted. You can write either wanted or available. The heading for all these, you can use the headings like for sale, for purchase or to let. I want to give my house for rent. You can use the title as to let. And accommodation wanted. I am in need of accommodation. You can give the heading accommodation wanted. And first particulars or first detail that you have to add, types of accommodation. Then what type of accommodation it is. If it's a flat, give the detail of it, and floor, shop or office. Particulars such as area of the plot and what is the size of the plot or what is the size of the shop. And I may give the detail like, for example, 2000 square feet or 3000 square feet. And stories, how many stories? If it is a 2-story house or 3 stories or 4 stories, how many rooms are there in the flat or in the house? Then is it a 3 BHK, 2 BHK, 4 BHK? BHK means bedroom, hall and kitchen. So give such details there. Then location and details about its surrounding. And where does it locate? Give its location. And for example, it's nearby State Bank of India or nearby a school or some other landmarks are there. Give that location. Is it in the center of the market? So the shop, it is in the center of the market. Give that detail. And also the surroundings. What are the things that you can see around? And what is the distance from your property to the market or to the hospital or some famous schools? Give all these details there. Then fixtures and fittings. Fixtures means the fixed items. There can be the sofa sets, some electronic items. Okay, all these details you may give there. And other specifications. If you want to give some other specifications like airy rooms, ventilators are there, and also the gardens are there in front side as well as in back side. So give all the details or try to include all the details. Then I prefer to give, for example, I prefer to give my building to a company, or at that time you can mention whom do you prefer, company or a bank lease, you want to give it for bank lease, or do you prefer individual, so you may mention that also. Then expected cost, then what is the cost that you expect for your property, or if you are giving it for rent, then what is the rent that you expect, that also you may mention in it. And last but not least, the contact address and phone number. Don't forget to give this. If the post box number is there, you may give that also. Then I have given an example for you. See here, the first word, the heading that has been written here for sale, it's written in capital letter as well as in bold letter. See here. Then the first word starts with the available, the word available. Available 3 BHK house for sale on Kairali Road and near SBI. And what is the size? 250 square area near SBI front and back garden. Then 3 sides open, fully furnished, air conditioner in every room, and parking facilities there for 3 cars, walking distance from market, hospitals in vicinity. To view the house, the contact address that has been given. So, for your use, you may take a screenshot of it. Next, vehicles. So when you sell the vehicles, you want to purchase or sell a vehicle. That can be a car or motorcycle or anything. Okay, that time, what are the details that you may include in it? So make of the vehicle with the model, year of manufacture. You may mention about the model of the car. Okay, make of the vehicle. Then, for example, Hyundai i20. Okay, and what is the model of the car? You may mention that also. Year of manufacture. Then the color. You have to mention the color. Then condition of the vehicle. Is it in a good condition or not? Then how much mileage done per liter of diesel or petrol. Then what mileage it makes. Then accessories, if it has airbags. Then we can say good musical system. You can mention all these things. Then address and the contact number. Let us see the example for that. Heading, car for sale, available. You see that I have started with the word available. Then black Maruti S3. That's the model of the car. And for 6 years, then age is given here. Then excellent condition. What is the condition of the car? That's excellent. And what are the accessories? Then fitted with the alloy wheels. Then automatic GPS system, airbags, single owner driven. That's additional benefit. Up to date insurance. Then excellent mileage. And to view or test drive, contact the contact details that has been given here. So you might take the screenshot of it too. These two. Next one, that is commodities. The commodities means you want to sell that include then furniture, TV, refrigerator, music system, crockery, etc. Then suppose I want to sell my TV. Okay, then in that case, I have to mention about the size of the TV. What is the commodity? What is the size of my TV? And specifications of brand. And which brand it belongs to. For example, LG. Then size, what is its size? 42 inch, 50 inch or 30 inch. You may mention about the size. And what is its model number, etc. You may give all these details. Then condition as well as age. Is it in a good condition? You may mention that also. And also the age. Then contact number as well as address. Let us see the example for that. So I have taken here books as the commodity. The books for sale. It has been written in capital letter as well as bold letter. Then first word available and available for sale. Class 12th reference books of science. And you see that it's in a good condition as well as no. And also it has then binding. Then price accepted 1/3 of MRP. And MRP means the price, the real price, and contact address also given here. So you may take the screenshot of this also. Dear students, when I conclude here, I would like to thank all those who subscribe my channel as well as like it. Now I request again you to subscribe and like my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. See you next time.